The term virtual assistant still sounds like a science fiction to many people. You might imagine yourself commanding a super smart AI just like Tony Stark to Jarvis. But what is virtual assistant in reality and how can you use it for your business? How to be a great digital marketer. Hi guys, my name is Ishan Naram, and in this video we are going to discuss some common questions about virtual assistant plus some cool VA facts and stats that might shock you. So stay tuned till the end, but before we get started, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Alright, so let's get started with the basic. So the basic is, what is virtual assistant? Simply put, a virtual assistant is an independent contractor who provides administrative support to businesses operating from remote location. Wait, did I say just admin support? Well, yes, the virtual assistant industry started as an assistant providing basic admin services virtually, but it has grown a lot with time. Today, VA services are not just limited to answering calls or booking flights, but have expanded to providing creative and technical supports too. In fact, some VAs are so good in their field that many businesses hire them as expert and not assistant. And this leads us to our second most commonly asked question, that is, what does virtual assistant do? Well, it depends, because the set of services offered by virtual assistants can vary from person to person or agency to agency. Okay, some virtual assistant agency only offer administrative support. You can find some other providing IT support. Some agencies focus only on specialized service like website designing or content writing. And then there are some VA agency like ours that serve as one-stop solution for all type of common online business needs. We at Social Emergers serve small businesses, coaches, different kind of digital marketers and solopreneur with major digital marketing solutions like social media marketing, website designing, email marketing, content writing, building sales funnel and much more. Our aim is to help those businesses who are struggling to survive in this digital marketing world, and that is why we created Social Merger as a one-stop solution for all digital marketing needs. Okay, so now the question that might want you to ask at this point must be like, why should you hire a virtual assistant over a local employee? Well, the short answer is because it's more affordable. Okay, in fact, according to a survey, 59% of companies use outsourcing as a cost cutting tool. How? Let me explain that. Well, imagine you have a team of qualified, skilled, experienced people and you only have to pay them for a limited hours they work. I mean, like, no paid leaves, no sick leaves, plus you can pay them on hourly basis. That means you only pay for the hour they actually work for you. Can this happen with a local in-house team? Just think yourself, and probably not. But this is how most virtual assistants work, and that too with the assurance of quality. What else? Here is another fun fact. Some recent reports show that hiring a virtual assistant can save almost 78% of your operational costs. Like, as you don't have to pay any employee fund, or you don't have to spend on orientation or welfare of your virtual employee. Moving on, the next common question that I often ask by many people: how can a virtual assistant help you grow your business? Well, a virtual assistant can help your business grow in many ways that you haven't even know about. Like, a social media virtual assistant can save your business from getting lost in a sea of social media by creating brand awareness. And if you hire a virtual assistant for a website designing, you can save plenty of dollars and have an effective, responsive and mobile friendly website in your budget, or even you will save a lot of money. In fact, a website designing is one of the most in demand VA services in my opinion. Similarly, you can hire a virtual assistant for your content writing task if you don't have the time in your busy schedule to do all it yourself. Plus, content creation takes a lot of skills and effort. As a matter of fact, a recent report by SEMrush revealed that 31% of marketers struggle to create content that resonate with their audience. So it's not a sin to take expert help for your content creation process, and hiring a virtual assistant is a great way to do so. Moreover, as I already said, that the biggest benefit that your business can enjoy working with a virtual assistant is minimizing cost. And clearly, by minimizing your cost, you can maximize your earning or profits. And the list does not end here. Well, you cannot just delegate your time taking tasks to VA, but you can also literally generate better leads and sales. Let me explain how. Well, you might already know how important it is to have a solid sales funnel, and a proficient VA can help you to build one of your business. And another plus point of working with a VA agency is you can get access to the agency's tech stack. You know, all these premium marketing and analyze tool that you always wanted, but they were too expensive or complicated to use. Other than that, as a busy entrepreneur, we all have one common enemy, that is deadlines. And the company of all sizes hire virtual assistant to save time. So these were some vital benefits for which most businesses hire virtual assistant. And if you want to hire one for your business, feel free to reach out to us through our website, or you can even email us your query or book a free 30-minute consultancy call with me. The links are in the description box below, and for more marketing videos, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification. Alright, and at last, if you found this particular video useful and if you would like to be a part of my community, I want you to join my Facebook group. Okay, link is already mentioned in the description box below. Looking forward to engaging with you there. Cheers, bye bye.